Okay, this may not be the most exciting video I've ever made, but I feel like I should talk about it with you guys. So here's the deal on taxes in Idaho. Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Rebecca. I'm a realtor based here in southeastern Idaho, and I make videos every single week talking about all things life in Idaho Falls, things to do here, tips for buying or selling, what to know before moving here, pretty much anything under that umbrella you will find here. But in today's video, I know this might not be the most exciting topic, but I feel like I should cover it, and it's about taxes in Idaho. So let's jump on in. So in Idaho, we do have 3 types of taxes. We have sales tax, we have income tax, and we have property tax. So obviously for income tax, there's a tax bracket. So the higher your earnings are, the more you'll be taxed on it. But in general, the personal income tax is 1.6% up to 7.8%. And of course, that's taxed on total income, whether you earned it in Idaho or not. Doesn't matter if it's your income, depending on what bracket you fall into, that's what taxes you'll pay on it. Of course, there are also some credits to offset your personal income tax. There's things like a grocery credit, a credit if you paid taxes in other states, or credits for donations to nonprofits and things like that. But one thing to note is that Idaho doesn't tax personal social security benefits. So that is a little bit of an added bonus that Idaho gives to taxpayers. Okay, property taxes. This depends, like most states do, on whether you live in an urban or a rural area. Idaho Falls and kind of the southeastern Idaho area falls into both of those categories, so it depends on which area you live in. But the average urban property tax rate is 1.275 and the average rural rate is 0.832. And the way that you typically figure out your property tax amount is by multiplying your property tax rate. So say you are in an urban area, so you pay 1.275, you would multiply that by the value of your house and then subtracting any exemptions that you qualify for. One exemption that I always recommend buyers file, because why not, is the homeowner's exemption. And that is just a tax exemption for owner-occupied residences. So if you have a house and you live in that house and that's your primary residence, you can qualify for the homeowner's exemptions and save a little bit on your property taxes. Another property tax exemption is the property tax reduction. That is for low-income homeowners. The only thing with that is that you have to apply and remain eligible every year to get the exemption. And then the other main type of tax that Idaho has is sales tax. The rate here is 6%, which is a little bit lower than a lot of other states. And sales tax is taxed on mostly like tangible items and some services. All right, so that's it for today, guys. I know that was not the most thrilling video, but I hope it gave you some insight and some information on what taxes are like here and kind of what the different rates are, just what it looks like here. If you guys have any questions on any of this, or buying or selling or moving here or whatever it may be, drop them below. Feel free to email me or connect with me on social media, and I am always more than happy to help you guys out however I can. But yeah, until my next video, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.